We will be replacing the high beam headlights in this 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and needle nose pliers. The high beams are these lights on the inside. To access the bulbs, we'll start under the hood. You'll first need to remove the dust cover. Next, you can unplug the bulb by simply pulling out the plug. You'll notice 3 locking tabs securing the base. It is these 3 tabs you'll need to pry free with your screwdriver. Because this housing is so deep, we're also going to use some needle nose pliers to hold the bulb while we pop free the locking tabs. Grab the exposed post on the bulb with one hand and pry free the locking tab with the other. While trying to pry free the 2 tabs near the top, we notice that the bulb is loose enough to wiggle free. Pull the bulb straight out of the housing. Now that it's removed, let's compare the standard halogen bulb to your new LED bulb from Ayla Lighting. You'll see that your new bulb is a plug-and-play fit, with the LED chips the same distance from the base as the halogen filament, and the plug a perfect fit. Before installing your bulb, be sure to tighten the connector to the driver. You should also note that the top tab on the bulb lines up straight, with the LED chips facing out to the left and the right. This will give you the best possible light performance. Start by plugging in your new bulb to the wire connector. Next, insert the bulb back into the housing with the square tab on top. To secure the bulb, simply push it all the way into the housing until those 3 locking tabs click into place. If you can see into the headlight, be sure that the LED chips are facing out to the left and the right. Now you can feed any extra wires in the driver into the housing. Finally, replace the dust cover, making sure it's tight all the way around. Now for the other side. Remove the dust cover, pop free the locking tabs, and remove the old bulb. Plug your new LED bulb into the wire connector. Insert the bulb with the square tab on top back into the housing. Push the bulb in until it locks into place. Feed the driver and any extra wires into the housing and replace the dust cover. Here's what the new LED high beams look like. You can see the difference in brightness and color.
Safer, smarter, brighter, better. We are Ayla Lighting.